So, your reverse coded ones are gonna be, they have like an underscore R, right?
Yes, they should.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I want to reverse it, so I go transform, recode into different variable. I want to take the one that should be reverse coded, and then I think it's easiest if I do Q5 underscore reversed. So what this does is it keeps the one I already have in the data set, but then it makes an additional variable at the end of my data set with the reverse scores. So I click change, and then I click old new values. So this is a 5-item scale. So 1 needs to become 5, 2 becomes 4, just for funsies, 3 is 3, and then 4 is 2, and then 5 is 1. Okay, and then I do system user missing, is system missing, add, continue. I then paste. So then I can get the syntax so my professor can tell me whether I did this right or wrong. I then click go. Okay, so it just comes up with that, but what that means is it did it correctly. Well, it means that it ran, and now I have a Q5 full reversed in my data set. Okay? So then I want to make my variable. So I title, so variable title. And so if it's a mean composite, I do mean parentheses this, comma, this, comma, this. Okay, so now instead of doing Q5 underscore R, I do the one I reversed. And then I close parentheses. I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to hope it runs. And it looks like it ran. So when I go into my data, it now has an average score for everybody, which would be my whole scale. That is my scale now. That has all 5 questions, including the one reversed one, right? Okay. So instead, let's say that it's not a mean composite. This should be in your data analysis plan. If it's not a mean composite and it's just a sum of variables, I simply just do this. This plus sign plus this plus sign.
Oh, like that one could be for like a satisfaction scale, right? Because you're adding all the scores?
I don't know. It depends on your...
Yeah.
This doesn't go... It depends on your data analysis plan. You've already done this and got it approved. So however you said you were going to do it, that's how you got to do it.
Okay.
So then this one, the reversed one, not the one that says underscore R. Okay, I paste. Oh, that's because I didn't change the... So let's say scale... Sum, paste. Okay, so now it made that one, and now I see in my data set it's the sum of all the scales. See how it's higher numbers than these ones? It didn't average it, it summed them all. So this is dependent on everybody's scale has a different way to code. So, but you already checked this and wrote it out for me. So just go back to what you wrote and got approved. But that's only 2 ways that I think everybody's scale works. Okay, so that's 2. And, okay, so what next?
I think we're good, right?
I think we're good.
3? Well, 3 for continuous variables, right? Okay. So we're going to use the one that I just made. The actually, we'll do it for exam scores, okay? So analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies. I take these ones out because we already ran them with different things. I go to exam score. I carry this over. I go to statistics. I then do everything I need. Mean, median, mode, skew, kurtosis, standard deviation. Continue. I can do a chart if I want to. histogram, show normal curve, continue. Then I paste. Go in here. I run. Okay, so now for exam score, it has my mean, median, mode, standard deviation, skew, and kurtosis, everything that I need for that section. That's all this assignment is. Okay?
Okay.
Is there any other particular questions for particular things in your data set?
That's how you answer number 3?
Yep, so you got to do this for every measurable variable.
Okay.
Okay,
Here we go.
so,
Can I see you do it one more time,
yep.
please?